Hi, Team Janet. It's been a long time. Okay, I'm going to give you a hint of where I am. I'm not back in the USA yet. Oh, shoot. You can't see the tags. But let me show you these tall buildings. It's good to see you guys. Go ahead and subscribe. Hello. It's been a while. Where am I? Okay, and now we're gonna take a walk. I hope you don't see any tags. Okay, let's see where we are. I guess I better go down this walkway. Well, hello there. I just finished lunch. I hope I don't have food in my teeth. I guess I could look and see before I'm on camera, right? Okay. Oh. No cheating, no looking at tags. Let's see where we are. Wonder if we're gonna see any alligators. Oh. Nope. Okay, enjoy this walk with me today. It's nice to see you all. Yeah. Okay, here we are. Everywhere I go, I seem to be near water. What are these guys getting ready to do? Somebody's calling. They're migrating. Okay. As long as they stay put, then I'm good. All right, Team Janet, where am I? This is a nice little boardwalk. I should have worn my gym shoes. Do you guys have any ideas? Anything? I had a couple people give me a couple good guesses. I have to keep track of where I am so I can get back to my car. Let's go back this way. Looks like some activity is this way. It's beautiful. And this is a nice boardwalk here. Gonna go back this way. I can tell you this, it's not that tropical. Matter of fact, I don't have on any sleeves and I'm kind of cool. So, that's a great body of water. That's all I'm gonna say. A great body of water. Stay tuned, we're going for a walk. We could talk about things while I'm walking. Uh, oh, look at that beautiful swan out there. You probably can't. Oh, it's beautiful. It's huge. Can you see it? I don't think you can. We'll get back to that a little later. But we can talk about something. I miss doing my sexy videos and with my swimsuits and my sexy clothes, and clothes here are a little bit on the more expensive side. Let's see what this is all about up here. Oh, look at this. Check this out. This is a beach. Oh, look at there. Okay, this may give it away. Okay, and if you guess it, I need at least 5 people to guess. And I know you are once I show you what I see up ahead. What is that? You probably can guess where I am now. Right? Okay. You're right. I'm here. So we're going to start enjoying this city. Can you guess what part? Yes, I have to bring you more sexy outfits. I know that. And I'm working on that. And like I said, it's very expensive in this town. But you know what? You only live once. I go back and forth. I saw a girl on Instagram. She said, what am I today? Am I the saving money today? Or am I the life is too short, spend, spend, spend? I don't know. I'm gonna show you this body of water. So, have you guessed where I am? I can't leave you in suspense much longer. Go ahead and put it in the comments. And when 5 people get it right, I will confirm, I will acknowledge, and then we'll get on with our lives. We'll get on with exploring this beautiful city. Like I said, I'll be here for 6 months, and I look forward to bringing you along with me and showing you this fabulous, great city. So go ahead and put it in the comments. But I'm going to show you this beautiful body of water. I think I told you in my other video, excuse me, I think I just belched. Why when you get older and you do something, you say, I think I just belched. I think I gained weight. I don't think I can fit these pants. I think I have something in my teeth. You know, you don't have to think about it, you know. Remember Alfred Hitchcock, The Birds? Yep. I bet you this place is packed when it's nice and sunny. That's a dead giveaway right there. A dead giveaway. It's fabulous. There's a restaurant there too. I'm gonna do lunch there one day, maybe dinner. I did go to this fabulous oyster house. It was called, no, I'm not going to say what it's called. But anyway, it was the real deal. And he was from Maine. And he did not have to have a sign on his building because it was that effing good. He didn't have a sign. So we didn't know if we were in the right place or not. But we were meeting some people there. And they said, here it is. I said, well, how do you identify it? Where's the sign to tell you what it is? He said, honey, it's so good and authentic, they don't need a sign. I said, what kind of place is this? I'm going to put a couple photos up. He had tanks in there, and it was nice. Very nice, very fresh, very authentic. So, and I agree, he didn't need a sign. After living in Florida for such a long time, it is so diverse here, and it's so much energy and so many different people, all walks of life. Where I'm from, Naples, it's only one type of person. My opinion only. It's old. Come a little closer. It's old. Right? It is very old. Someone down there laying there. I smell barbecue. Okay, it's warming up a little bit. A little sun. That's an unhoused person back there. And that's okay. Some of us prefer to be unhoused. It's not a problem with everyone. We think it's a problem. It's so expensive in this town. It's expensive in Florida too. I love nature. This makes me feel good. Being out, is a rocky beach. Got rocks in my shoe. Hello. Looks like there may be another YouTuber around. Time flies. Seems like I just got here. I bet you can walk all around this. There's some little babies. I'm glad you guys are taking this walk with me. Maybe there's a bathroom over there. I don't know. I gotta go though. I know that. Okay. I guess you left it in the comments where I am. I think this is a stage of some sort over here. Let's look at this. And hooray for guessing where I am. Hooray. Good for you. I'll be here for 6 months. And then I'll be headed back to Naples. Maybe, or maybe I'll go somewhere else. Like I always say, life is short. Just keep it rolling, keep it moving, right? Get off this path and go on this side. What body of water is that? To all my 60 plus divas and everybody out there, get out every day and take a walk and meet people and say hello, and it'll prolong your life. You need it. You need it in the interaction. We need people. We need each other. So get out and about. Every day if you can. Because as I said before, we know that this is it. We don't get a do-over. This is what life's about. This is what life is all about. Us helping each other, being around each other, people needing people. Okay, so this town has black squirrels. You can Google what town has black squirrels. Why is he coming up to me? Oh shit. Let me let me get out of his way. Oh, might attack. Uh-oh. Look at this. Surprise, surprise. Hello, hello. You don't see that every day, do you? Or do you? I don't. Wow, they're taking a path. Okay, there you go. Wonder where they came from. This is a supervised area. What does that mean? Oh, I just found out what it means. You can swim, but you have to swim between the flags. That's what that means. And evidently they put a different flag out every day, depending on what the weather is. glad I was headed home, and I said, what am I going to do there? Let me go to this area and walk around. And so I did. And I'm glad I did. She got some cute little babies there. I should have brought my lunch down there. Here's a restaurant. I should have came down here to eat. Well, it's not open, so. All right, Team Janet, I'm going to say good day. Thank you for playing the guessing game. And I am going to see you. I'm going to see you later. I'm going to find a bathroom. Have a great day. Go ahead and subscribe. I'll be bringing you more of this beautiful town as time goes by. And thank you to all my wonderful subscribers all over the world. Keep it going. Keep it coming. Have a great day. And it's nice to see you. Take care.